students, let us continue with the important examples of class Mammalia. We are taking the sixth example, that is of bat. Scientific name is Pteropus. It belongs to the order Chiroptera. It is the only true flying mammal. You know that the bats fly, right? Its four limbs are modified to wings. There is something called a patagium present. Patagium means the wings that it has does not have feathers like in birds. Okay, the wings instead will be made up of membranous folds of skin over its limbs. Okay, there will be folds of skin, like how there is this one, no, this fold of skin. That kind of skin will be present over its digits, because of which it can fly. Membranous fold of skin between limbs which form its wings. Okay, it's a nocturnal animal and it shows this so-called roosting behavior, just like birds. A roosting behavior. What does this mean? You know how the birds rest at a particular place away from the predators, often many of them together. That behavior is known as the roosting behavior, usually shown by the birds, and we are talking about a mammal here. That kind of roosting behavior is shown by bats, resting or sleeping at a particular safe place, and they hang upside down while they are roosting. Next, whale, Baleen. The whales belong to order Cetacea. These are the largest mammals on earth. Example, blue whale is the largest mammal. Pinna, absent. Hare is absent. They are marine and they have a streamlined body, an aquatic adaptation. They have presence of flippers, which are modified forelimbs. Hind limbs are absent in them. They have presence of blubber under skin. They are hunted for their blubber only and the oil that is extracted from them. Whales are known to show monophyodont condition only. Monophyodont teeth, that is, they will have teeth only once in their lifespan. And there is one called as the baleen whale. This baleen whale is known to have baleen plates. Has baleen plates, which are plates made up of keratin in its oral cavity instead of teeth. Teeth it won't have. Instead of teeth, it will have these baleen plates, which enable it filter feeding. Keratin plates help in filter feeding. Teeth are absent in the baleen whales. Eighth one, elephant, order Proboscidea. The trunk that the elephants have is an elongation of upper lip and nose. It's an elongation of the upper lip and the nose. The tusks are actually enlarged incisors and they are mainly meant for defense. The tusks in the Asian elephants, for male the tusks are present and in the female the tusks are reduced or absent, but when it comes to African elephants the tusks are present in both the male and the female, long and enlarged. Moving on to the carnivores, order Carnivora. This will include examples like cats, dogs, tiger, lion, fox, bear, etc. They have powerful canine teeth. Canines are very powerful, they are very strong for tearing flesh. They are also known to show something called carnassial teeth. What are carnassial teeth? Carnassial teeth are well developed fourth premolar of upper jaw and first molar of lower jaw, which are extra well developed, and these are known to slice meat nicely. They have a scissor like action. They are known to slice meat like a scissor, okay, the way they are arranged. Their arrangement is such that it enables slicing the meat nicely. These teeth are called as carnassial teeth, which includes the fourth premolar of the upper jaw and the first molar of the lower jaw. That was about the carnivores. Moving on to the last one, the ungulates. Ungulates means the hoofed animals. Like I mentioned it earlier, ungulates is not a single order as such. The animals that are included in them, they are distributed over several other orders. These are broadly divided into two categories, divided into Artiodactyla and B. Perissodactyla. The Artiodactyla comprises of even-toed ungulates, which include cow, deer, camel, goat, and the Perissodactyla are odd-toed ungulates. Example, horse, rhino, zebra. So with that we have completed the examples of class Mammalia, and with that we have completed the entire chapter Animal Kingdom. In the next lecture we will be solving MCQs from Animal Kingdom. In the name of Lord Mahadev, please subscribe.